All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps us out here on the channel, and it's free for you. We have a Pro VM. I am bowling against my shoe plug. It's gonna be a pair of Jordans for bowling balls. If he beats me, I'm gonna give him every bowling ball that I have on the rack here. If I beat him, I win a pair of shoes. So without further ado, this is Joey.
What's up, man?
This guy hooks me up with shoes. He brought a pair today for me to bowl for.
Yep.
What do we have here?
Chicago 1 Lows.
We got the Chicago 1 Lows. Not a super hard pair to acquire, but he has hooked me up with some pretty cool shoes. A lot of Travis Scott collabs.
Cause 4s.
Cause 4s, Undefeated 4s, Tokyo 5s. If you guys are shoe heads, don't hit him up because he's probably not gonna help you out. But I appreciate him hooking me up. I got 5 balls on the rack, so there's a lot at stake here. This is what? These are running for like
145.
145, and they're probably gonna hit the sales rack, so I'm going full steam ahead. I'm bowling as good as I possibly can today to win this pair of shoes, because if I have to lose 5 bowling balls, that's just more effort on my part to replace them. So, all right, brother. You wanna go first? You wanna go second?
I'll go first.
He's going first. He's gonna put the pressure on me. Let's go. Look at Jordan getting free advertisements. So Joey is a two-handed lefty. Guys, guess who his favorite bowler is in the comment section. Yes. Jeez, he's not gonna make this easy. All right, good shot. I don't know what I want to use. I've got too many options here. I'm gonna throw Reactive. I'm gonna throw the brand new Vengeance. But by the time this video comes out, I don't know if it's gonna be brand new anymore. Let's see what we got. I've shot one video and they were not reactive balls, so. Maybe. Yo, imagine you just come on the channel, shoot 300, and
my first 300 ever.
I lose all my bowling balls, and I don't even get the pair of shoes.
I just throw an unsanctioned 300 for no reason.
For no reason. Perfect, so if I just throw the front 11, we're good.
Oh, that's so bad.
That looks like it could be okay. Oh. Oh, all right. All right.
You got a chance.
How did you get into shoes?
How did I get into shoes?
What's the story?
My brother was into shoes. He's 9 years older than me. I always thought shoes were stupid. And then I saw 2006, I saw military blue 4s for the first time. And I was like, those are the most beautiful shoes ever.
How old were you in 2006?
7.
So I was in middle school.
Yeah.
And I remember seeing one of my buddies had them. I didn't know what they were. I didn't know like Jordan models, whatnot.
Yeah.
But I was like, the same thing. I was like, I want those.
Yeah.
I have no idea what they are.
I thought they were the greatest shoes ever with the blue accents. And then from that point on, I kind of phased out of it. About 14, I got back into shoes. And I figured if I started reselling shoes, I could make my pair free.
Bang. I like that. Entrepreneurial.
Yeah.
And here we go. It's the perfect way to get him distracted from shooting the 7-pin.
I'm missing it no matter what. Told you.
As the kids say, or as the D's Nuts guy says. Got him. We gotta lock in here. We can't lose this opportunity to get some on him. It's not terrible. I felt like Chris Vi on that shot. Did it look anything like Chris Vi? Probably not.
I keep having that same thought when Chris finally sent me that layout on the Equinox Solid.
Oh, he sent it to you?
Yeah. I'm like, I don't think it's gonna roll the same for me whatsoever.
No.
I was like, I probably should just put something normal.
No, if you're gonna go pin down with a bowling ball, your hands gotta be very up the back.
Yeah.
Because if it's not, it's clobbering time on those finger holes. That's close. Never mind. Whoa. That shot hits so hard. So you're into Pokemon now too, yeah?
Yeah.
So.
Thanks, Deep Pocket Monster.
How's that going?
Horrible.
I download that collector app.
I know. Yeah, I got into it because of Deep Pocket Monster.
Do you know who Brent Boho is?
Yeah.
So he was at the camp. I don't know if it's public information or if he wants us to share, but he showed us his collector app. He's been collecting for a year.
What is he at?
I will say it's probably close to twice what mine is.
That's insanity.
Value-wise.
There's no way.
It's pretty nuts. That's gotta go a little. Oh, it does. Typically, we say the left is walled, but we are giving him the early business. And of course, YouTube rules. We make up our own rules, but the endless 10th frame is one on this channel. We need to peak at the right time. Let's go. I'm gonna bowl 300. For the Chicago 1 Lows. Aren't the Bread 1 Lows coming out this year?
I believe so.
They're coming back?
Yeah.
And the Royal ones. Yeah, the Wolf Gray 5s, I had the original pair of those.
Did you?
I loved them. They weren't very comfortable, but I feel like 5s now they have a little more cushion, which is weird. Like the 5's more cushion, the 4's more cushion, but the 3's they took away the cushion.
Yeah, the 3's got thinner.
I don't understand.
I have a 9.5 in the remastered, and they are huge.
They suck. I hate it.
Huge. I have to wear like Nike Elite socks.
Yeah, I've been noticing a difference like shoe to shoe too. Like one shoe is noticeably bigger than the other.
Yeah.
Like I have the Wizard 3s too, and it's the same thing. Yeah. Like the Reimagines and the Wizards. There's just one shoe that
I think it's the leather.
It sucks. I hate it. Like I don't like 3s right now. I just wear my 2018 black cement 3s. Oh, strapped on that one. Banga. Might have to that Summit Ascent. Joey subbed in our league a couple times, and I'm like, "Ah, you're a lefty, man. Just throw the urethane ball." And one night he's like, "Man, I think I gotta go reactive." He goes to his Summit Ascent. There was like a 7-bagger for 230, and I'm like, "All right,
yep.
What do I know?"
Wheel. We got one.
Hey guys, let us know if you guys collect shoes. Let us know if you're a Pokemon collector. I want to know. We've got channels in the Discord for discussions about these kinds of things as well. So, all right, we're on the front 3 here. Let's see what we can do. Not my best. The Vengeance is just gross.
Ball's just too good.
Give me these shoes. Come on. Also, I don't know if this drop has dropped already, but we got the league collection. We got Darren Tang collection coming out soon. I think it's 6 different shirts. EFX.co. I believe you can use my coupon code to get some money off as well. So check it out. Link in the description below. EFX.co. DATA. Yeah. All right. So Joey's got a 247 clip. I have 300 working still. I think I need to move my feet soon.
Oh no.
Extra strap. The dead zone. Just a bit outside.
Yeah.
Keep that head steady. Keep that head steady. What's your grail pair of shoes?
Grail pair of shoes?
Grails.
Tiffany Low SBs.
Do you have them?
No.
Tiff Lows. I remember when I was in college, they were running for like $500-600, and I'm like, that's just way too much for a pair of shoes.
Kind of has like the Evolving Skies effect.
Yeah, now I'm like, man, it was only $500.
Yeah. My other one was Atmos Air Max 1s, but I ended up getting those.
You got me those too.
Yeah, so I just like that color.
Yeah, it is a nice color. Oh, what if I told you there's a pair of shoes at Storm that I saw that I really hope are coming out? They would make me very happy, and they would also make you very happy.
They make them in left hand.
I'm just gonna leave it at that. Let's get jiggy with the Vengeance a little more. One board to the left, moving my eyes a half. I'm gonna get a little slower with the ball speed. That's not good. A lot of rotation. Go. Ow. Lucky, lucky. Sometimes you gotta be. Oh, there's the reactive ball.
No!
A lot of rotation. Was that a physics blackout?
That is a physics blackout.
Underrated ball.
I agree.
Underrated. I didn't throw that one very much. I wanted to though.
So what is your favorite bowling ball of all time?
All time, that's a tough one. The pitch black is probably my favorite urethane ball.
Yeah.
Alpha Crux is pretty up there. I actually made my first show with an Alpha Crux, a phase 2, and then I threw the urethane ball on the show.
Were you part of Storm staff during like the Gold IQ era? Or was that pre?
That was right before. I signed in 2014. I think the IQ
it's like 13.
Pearl was 13. I threw a lot of Storm balls though.
Yeah.
All right.
Ah.
Very nice, very nice. It's coming in strong for these Chicago 1 lows. There's just no other way. No! I should have moved. I'm just gonna throw my level at the spare. I still got this cut, so the second day at camp, my finger blew open because I underestimated the dryness of the weather there. So using my thumb kind of hurts a lot. I feel like the level shape's so nice, just a couple feet too far down the lane.
Yeah. Was that a TV Bowling Supply special just there? 9 pin?
There is? What, the 9 pin?
Yeah,
that was pretty close to a drive-by. I think it was just a flush 9. It wasn't a drive-by.
Fun fact, I bought this chamois from your brother. I bowled a tournament with it right after. Finished top 10. No big deal.
Bang.
I blame the chamois.
So Chris gave my girlfriend a chamois. She used it at one tournament and someone stole it.
No good.
So whoever that is, you got what's coming to you. Hook!
Oh.
I think you can move a little left.
I think so.
It's not the hardest pattern, but it's not quite the house shot.
Okay. So there's more hold left.
There is a little bit of OB, but there's also hold in the middle of the lane. Evident by how I'm playing the lanes. I also have to shoot another ball video after this, so hopefully that ball looks good. Wheel a little. All right. Well, I'm gonna give you the option for the endless 10 frame if you want it.
I have to strike first.
I feel pretty confident that I'm gonna bowl a good game here. I feel pretty confident I can bowl 198. You never know. Struck out. All right.
So what's your favorite Pokemon ever? Like, is it a starter? Is that where you're...
Yeah, it's hard to not choose my boy Mudkip.
Okay.
That's my guy.
See, I'm in the next generation, or a few generations after.
A few? Like Gen 7?
Gen 4?
Oh, that's only one.
One after. I'm a Turtwig guy.
Turtwig?
Yeah. So
I don't know if it means anything, but you look like a Turtwig guy.
No. I always made the error of picking that Pokemon in Diamond and Pearl and stuff like that.
I think I picked Chimchar in that. No! Well, I always had both versions, so I always went 2 different starters.
Yeah.
So one naturally always got left out.
Ooh, too far left.
We need a little more forward ball roll. I'll make you a deal. If you go back through it, I'll give you one of these balls if you go back through it.
Through it?
Through it.
Okay. I have to reactive.
The Jazz now challenges. What do you mean? You can just throw the same ball.
Think so?
I mean, you did it the first time.
Yeah, I'll try it. I have to do that same thing though.
Yeah, all you gotta do is throw the same shot.
That's my falter. I'll throw a strike and be like, I don't remember where I was standing.
That's the hardest part about the game, is just doing the same thing over and over and over and over. That's got life.
No!
Oh! That was a good try. That probably would have struck. That one was a quality shot. Quality. Quality. Does it have the smell?
No.
They smell a little different.
Ah, that's close. That glue will never change.
They smell like they've been in the casino for a fractional amount of time.
Oh,
Brooklyn! Do they have like a patented glue? Like a specific glue?
I don't know.
It's just a Nike glue?
I just want that smell in my house at all times. I think it would get a little overbearing, but that smell...
I mean, you've got plenty of shoes.
I'm down a lot.
You just gotta sell some more.
I think I'm probably at like, I sold off a good bit, probably at like 50.
I haven't sold shoes since college.
I just got to a point where it's like, did I wear Vans or Travis Scott lows? Or bowling shoes?
That's quite a difference in footwear. Quite a difference in value.
Oh.
We gotta get you striking somewhere.
I know.
Man's got that Jesper ball roll too. Vengeance with the Ripper 9. The only miss is the Ripper 9. I almost 9-pinned again. Almost jinxed it. Oh, there it is. The Summit of Sense out to play.
About here.
No mercy. You put shoes on the line? We're going full send. Oh. That was almost it. Almost. Well, if we did go with the endless 10th frame,
I don't think I got it in me.
You would need at least 10 strikes.
I think I'm gonna retire from this one.
Minimum.
And bow out gracefully.
Wait, this is pickleball?
Yeah.
That ball was moving like tennis.
No. That's how it is.
Oh, when you play singles, are you not allowed to step inside the box? I didn't know that. Oh, never mind. I don't know the rules. All right, we're gonna wrap this up right here. A flawless victory using V for vengeance. Whoa. All right, well.
I have a child in frame now.
Do you wanna pick up my spare?
You wanna throw a ball?
No, it's all good, we're going for it. Only the one, only the one. All right, Joey, it's 143 to 239. Appreciate you coming on the channel, man.
Yeah, man.
Thanks for the shoes.
Yes, sir.
We got ourselves a brand new pair of Jordan 1 lows, Chicago 1 lows.
You're gonna be on YouTube.
Victorious. But again, if you guys enjoyed the Pro VM series so far, if this is your first time watching, make sure you check out all the rest of them on the channel. Again, thanks to Joey for the shoes. Thank you for coming on the channel. And like, comment, subscribe. And as always, head over to TV Bowling Supply. Use my coupon code DTANG5 for 5% off, and we'll see you in the next one.